kabayan na yan. Si Papa naman ba eh.
I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes.
Sa koro lang ah. Of it all, does it just realize how much I love you? Parang pang-clap. Tsura mo. Gusto ko rin ka ng kapitbahay. Ewan ko sa'yo.
It's time to go home now. I'm gonna make it, yeah.
Ito! I said, darling, you are wonderful tonight. Ang kainis ng